Large-scale python farms operate under controlled conditions to support regulated, high-volume industrial production.
Fences are secure and the animals look healthy.
Okay, logging the inspection data now.
Automated feeding systems standardize nutrition, supporting predictable growth rates across large python populations. Centralized monitoring allows large python farms to operate efficiently at industrial scale.
We need to reroute the shipment from Farm C to the Riverside facility immediately.
Riverside confirms capacity. I'll update the manifest to keep us on schedule.
From controlled farming environments, the python processing journey officially begins here.
Careful python collection prioritizes safety, efficiency, and minimal stress during large-scale farm operations.
Weighed at 19 kilos. Ready for scanning.
Confirmed. Moving to transport container.
Settled, bring the lid over slowly. Latch is locked, all secure for transit.
Detailed labeling guarantees full traceability throughout the python processing supply chain.
Real-time monitoring keeps python transport conditions stable from farm to factory.
We have the Rhode Island Reds arriving shortly. Ensure bays 3 and 4 are ready for immediate offloading. The timing is crucial for welfare.
With arrival complete, python processing moves into its next controlled industrial phase.
Every python entering this facility is logged, inspected, and handled under strict regulatory oversight.
Digital tracking systems ensure full traceability throughout the python processing lifecycle. Indicators look good on panel C. The activity levels match the data.
Confirmed. All parameters met. The batch is approved for transfer.
Sanitation routines prepare industrial equipment for high-volume python processing operations.
You can see, all processing schedules are synchronized, reducing potential delays. The real-time data is highly accurate.
Facility intake ends as python processing transitions into specialized industrial stages.
Precision skin separation preserves python leather quality for high-value manufacturing industries worldwide.
Imperfection noted at grid reference C.
Confirmed. Logging now.
Salting stabilizes python skins, preventing degradation during storage and transport.
Quality grading determines the final destination of each processed python skin. Preserved python skins now await transformation into luxury leather products. Industrial separation lines prepare python meat efficiently while maintaining strict hygiene and consistency. Trimmed portions of the python meat move to cleaning systems where calibrated water sprays remove residues. Filtration Continuous inspection maintains high quality throughout python meat processing. Accurate labeling links every python meat package to its processing history. Packaged python meat now enters secure cold storage for global markets. Collected python fat enters a controlled refinement process designed for safety and efficiency. Agitators inside the tanks ensure even heat distribution. Sensors constantly monitor temperature and pressure to protect oil quality. Automated separation systems isolate refined python oil from remaining solids. Filtered oil passes through multi-stage filtration units, removing fine particles and ensuring clarity. Refined oil is cooled gradually to stabilize its structure. Cooling tanks maintain consistent viscosity for downstream use. Laboratory testing confirms python oil meets strict purity and safety specifications.
Check the throughput for batch 42 against the Kaduna pipeline data.
Cross-referencing now. Looks good. Traceability is confirmed and records are updated.
Refined python oil completes its journey from raw material to industrial ingredient. Cold storage facilities protect python meat quality through precise temperature and humidity control. Digital inventory systems track python products accurately from storage to final shipment.
These shipments are grouped by destination. See the transport requirements here.
Yes, that looks efficient. Let's confirm the routes.
Careful container loading protects python skins and oil during long-distance transport.
Everything seems to be in order for the permits.
Destination compliance checked. Ready for release.
Outbound shipments depart the facility in staggered schedules, reducing congestion and maintaining efficiency. Comprehensive export documentation enables lawful international trade of python-derived products.
Indigo Blue needs the matte finish by Tuesday.
Confirmed. Batch 4 is ready for tanning.
Accurate documentation keeps python food products compliant from importer to end buyer.
Purity levels confirmed. The batch is approved for formulation use.
Comprehensive export documentation enables lawful international trade of python-derived products.
Customs clearance finalizes cross-border movement. Containers are released into international logistics networks by sea and air.
Retailers, manufacturers, and institutions receive finished products, completing the industrial journey. Traceability remains intact to origin.
This concludes the journey from Python farm to finished products worldwide.